Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you this conditional formatting, and on this sub menu I'll show you how to work with this top and bottom rules. On previous video I have showed you the these highlighted cell rules, all the features of highlighted cell rule, but in this video I'll go over this sub menu that we have under top and bottom rules. Okay, so to do this I have one Excel which has a lot of data. So but I will try to select first 20 rows to show that whatever happening after selecting the conditional formatting, it will be very easier to go with the small amount of data. So let me select from 1 to 20 here. Now what I will try to do, I will go here and do this top and bottom rules. So if I select these top 10 items, so what will happen, you will see that the highlighted rows are like 11, 12 to up to 20. So it's treating the top means the number whichever value has higher amount, 1 is lower and 20 is higher, so whatever amount is higher, so based on that it's treating after 10. So I've selected top 10, right? Top 10 items, so it's selecting from 11 to 20. Okay, I'll clear this rule. Again, on the second item we have top 10%. So if we select this, it's calculating the top 10%, and as usual only 19 and 20 it's coming in the top 10%. If you want to change it, you can change it as well, like I make it 20, then you see it's 4 rows are selected. So you can select it like that. So if you have a lot of data and it's there randomly and not in a sequential manner, but it is there in random manner, then in that case it will be very easier to sort out or highlight the top 20%, 10%, or any percentage you want. You can do it. After that we have this bottom 10 items. So as usual you can understand this, it will show whichever value is the lower, and within that it will show the highlight the top 10, and you can increase that as well. As if I increase this, it will go up. Similarly, if you do this one bottom 10%, as usual you will see 1 and 2, you can increase the percentage and you will see it will go up from the lower part. I mean, it is treating the lower value as the bottom, and that is why it will come from here. And after that we have above average. So here as well you can understand that if we add it up from 1 to 20, the average is in the median, and whichever value it's above average it will highlight. It is also a very special feature which you can utilize to calculate highlight marks whoever got more than 80, more than 90. If there are a lot of students and list of students whoever got marks in some respective subject, then this can be utilized in that perspective. And at the end we have this one below average. So here as well you can directly filter it out by selecting whoever is below average. Average is like there are suppose 100 students, then on that it will do the average by itself, and it will highlight the row whoever got the marks below average. So this is also a useful feature if we have a lot of data, and it will be easier to highlight and sort out the data in an efficient manner. So that's it for this video. I hope this is useful for some people who will be using this or working with Excel. Yeah, thank you.